Are you an affiliate marketer, content creator, looking to make money online but don't have anything to sell? This is the place to be. I'm George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and I have great pleasure in talking to you about our incredible Ebook Genie. This is a complete solution to creating ebooks, selling ebooks, posting them on Kindle. I've just got to show it to you. Let's just go through a few of the points before we get right into it. We built this to fill a need, and the need in a big way is I need something to sell, or I need a landing page to generate leads, and I want to create a book. I've always wanted to create an ebook, but I just want it all in one place, and I want to either give it away to generate leads, or I want to sell it. I want to sell it privately, or I want to sell it on Kindle. All of that's possible. This thing is incredible. You can build up to an 8-chapter book. You can edit the book. You can add images. Anything that you can imagine, this system does. So like it says here, AI-powered chapter creation, smart outline generation. I'm not going to go through all of them. Image library, landing page builder. So you create your book, create landing page for it. Works on desktops, mobile. Create your brand as an author. Incredible. Let's just go through it. Here we go. Okay, so you can see this is what you'll see when you come in. You won't see any ebooks, but I'm going to show you how to create one, and you can see beautiful covers. Like this thing just does everything. So you go in to create an ebook, and it first says, well, what is it you want to build? Like what do you want your ebook to be about? It could be about anything. I want to build an ebook about affiliate marketing. Creating ebooks and selling on Kindle. Okay, so I'm just making this up. Let's take a look at it. Right away, the AI is going to generate ideas for you that you can pick from. It's come up with some titles. Click and publish, so you can pick whatever title you want, or you can edit the title. It's totally up to you. I like that. The Kindle Authority, Digital Goldmine, the passive page. Let's go with that one, and then pick a subtitle. We'll pick the default one. And then the book description, you have a chance now to update it. If you wanted to update it before you go to the outline, you might say, oh, these are good ideas. I think I want to add a little bit more. You can always go back and start over again. What is this for? Is it for beginners, advanced users, whatever? Do you want the title to be casual, friendly, academic, conversational? Let's make it casual and friendly. And I'm just going to do, because this is a test, we're going to do 2 chapters. That way it keeps it a little bit faster for the video, but believe me, you can do up to 8. So let's generate the outline first. And here we are. So the first stage of the game, we are going to generate an outline, which we can regenerate if we want, we can edit if we want. I'm going to go with what the AI likes. Generate the chapter. So here we go. We're going to generate each chapter, but watch the surprise, because this is the part that this is what Worldprofit wanted. This is what we wanted to have for people that I found was just not working in other things. You're in an editor. You can completely change things here. You can modify, you can regenerate the chapter, or you can say, hey, you know what? Let's move on. So you click the next chapter. Yep, I like it. Let's generate chapter 2. So far you can see that what I like about this program is it involves you. It's not just the AI. You can come in there and you can say, I want to add a paragraph or 2. I want to do something new to this thing. Everything is here. You can add links at this point, anything that you want. Scroll down to the bottom, and here we go. We're going to design the cover now. This is my favorite part, is it's going to take the content and develop your, I guess, your beautiful covers. So let's do that. Or you can upload your own. You can go to Gemini or Nano Banana and create your own graphic image for the title of the book. But let's generate it inside here, because Like I said, I like to build these things. And remember, we're building to either give it away as a lead magnet, or we're building this ebook to sell. So it could be, you know, a 5-6 chapter book with a lot of input from you. As you're going to see when we're finished generating the image here, there's a lot more to go, folks. This is just the beginning. So here we are, digital gold mine. Notice my picture's on there. That's automated because I'm going to show you this a little later, my profile. I go in, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to build your profile. You're going to put in some stuff. You can have your social networks in there and everything. So let's preview the book. And we're not going to go too crazy with this. We're going to keep this here. We're going to go worldprofit.com or georgekosch.com. You can see that we've got a sample here. It says, you know, in the top left, it's going to say Digital Gold Mine. Top right by George Kosch. You can change these things. Okay, so these are totally your call. So let's preview the book. Let's see what we've built. Beautiful, nice, beautiful cover. Look at that cover. You can rebuild the cover anytime you want. You just got to go to the cover and you can rebuild it if you don't like it. Now, you can edit the pages. So down here, you can see the pages coming up. Look at that. Beautiful, just beautiful. Let's edit. Let's edit. This is where the magic is. And I must say, this was a creation that I feel is very powerful. You can come in here now and you have complete edit capability. You can put images in here. So wherever you want to put the cursor, you can see I've got a few images in my library. You can check out your library, and here you can see, oh, this is what I've got. I've got some images. You can upload images from your hard drive. You can have the AI build you an image. All right, so you've got total power, but watch this. I'm going to just put this in. There it is. How about right align? How about padding? How about width? Isn't that great? Isn't that just phenomenal? You want to move it? There it is now. It's moved. Do you want it centered again? Do you want to move it down? There it is. I don't know what else you could do with an image system. I really don't. Style. We can do style. You want to add a page to the bottom of the book? No problem. You can add a page. Do you want to edit each page individually? There they are. There's your chapters. Add a page. You want a resource box? There's your resource box. You can go in. You can change everything. This is George Kosch, that kind of thing. Now, mind you, from your profile, which we're going to take a look at, we can go from there. So we're going to save this. I'm just going to leave this last page in there blank, or here's my what I want to say, or you can just remove the page. Okay, so let's save that. We're happy with that. We've got our image in there, or 10 images. You could have a book about whatever you want. Okay, so let's go back to preview. You can redo the chapters, redo the cover. You can download the cover image if you want. You can download the PDF and see what it looks like. Let's take a look. Top right corner, there's my PDF ready to go. Absolutely perfect. This is ready for distribution. Beautiful. Folks, this is just absolutely a dream program. I promise you that. This thing is awesome. Now, you've got your image library. You can go back and forth through anything that you want. Let's look at the publish on Kindle. Kindle requires an EPUB file. Done. Goes onto your hard drive. Download the PDF, of course, you already have a copy of it. Download the cover. These are the 3 things that you need to publish on Kindle. Proof? Who am I? I'm a publisher. I've been publishing on Kindle for at least 6 or 7 years now. It's easy. We go in here, we create a new title. I'm just going to show you this a little bit. I'm not actually going to publish a book, create a book, and then you go from there. It's very simple, very straightforward, and guess what? We have step-by-step guide. Your ebook library then is stocked. It's ready to go. You have all of your ebooks. You can edit them anytime that you want, and then you can do one last thing. Check this out. How about we go to the landing page builder because we want to sell this on our own, or we want to build a landing page and have it connect to our Kindle, right? We say, well, here's my, you've got it in your bookshelf, and we want to send people to that. Well, you can obviously go in here, which is really neat. You can view it on Amazon and say, here's where I'm going to send people. I want to send them here. Okay, so for example, we can go in here and we can add forms. And if you know Worldprofit, we have a form builder right here. I'm just going to sneak it in. I'm going to sneak this in, Prospect Manager. Open that in a new tab. Let's go see because if you are a Worldprofit member, you've got a form builder that you can use. You can generate a form that auto-responds to people. They could, and believe me, don't even look at that. Look over here. Call the form, my Amazon book, lead capture name, source URL, don't even need that, or wherever you're posting it. But check this out. You can redirect them to that page right here. You can do a follow-up email and information about the book. Or you could generate associates with it, a lead magnet. Now remember, either of these pages can be used, of course we have a help video, to work with this system. Okay, so you can generate associates with it, with a unique book, or you can lead capture for your affiliate program. Right? This thing's powerful, folks. This thing is powerful. So we're going to put in here, that's my link. Of course, I'm going to just go to the CTA button link. This is the link I want. I want people to go there. Let's generate. I'm just going to pick this one. I'll go minimal clean. Let's go with editorial, colorful, modern. How's that look? Generate. You can talk to this when it's done. You can make edits to it when it's done. It's creating you an incredible landing page. You wait till you see this thing. You're going to say to yourself, so what else could there be? There's nothing anyone could want in an ebook creator. Look at this thing. There's your page. And if people click on this, they go directly to my book. So let me just preview it, full preview, give you an idea of what it looks like. Look at that. Is that not professional? Oh, but you know what? I want to do some changes to it. You can do some changes by talking or go into edit mode. Edit mode, and guess what? You've got total ability to edit this book. Isn't that something? And then when you're done, save it up here. Landing page 1, saved. Create as many as you want. You can have one pointing here, one is elegant, one is this, one is that, one could go to a form. Now you have 3 different lead magnets or sales magnets for that one book. Imagine that, a whole library of ebooks, totally powered by this system. And guess what? There's no constant fees for every book you build. Come on in, Worldprofit. All you have to do is go to your member area, click on AI, and you will see it listed as Ebook Genie. And we will have it on the left menu under Worldprofit AI. If you are not a member of Worldprofit yet and you're watching this video, join. There's a link down in the description. Let's go. This thing is awesome. You will, and oh, one last thing. Let's check out in my library, my profile up here. I promised I would show you this. Upload a photo, show the photo on ebook covers, show it in the About Author section. Author name, resource box, social networks will automatically be put into your book when you fill them out. Thank you very much. I look so forward to hearing your feedback on this.